doesn't seem all that stable, guys. Let's see. This is probably the best it's going to be, but you know, it could still kind of tip. If you have it this way, it'll fall over while you're trying to do. You need to really tighten this one. It'll do this okay, I guess. All right, anyway, that was the soldering iron for you guys. And a bit disappointed on this. Like, this is not a lot of soldering material. Apart from that, the rest of it is pretty good, I would say. And so, can't complain too much. Can't complain too much. Or at all. Maybe we won't complain this time. See you all in the next one, guys. Cool.
Likey.